हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आज हम एक डिक्टेशन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जो कि 60 वर्ड पर मिनट की स्पीड से बोली जाएगी और 300 वर्ड्स बोले जाएंगे। सो वी स्टार्ट। एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी पॉइंटेड आउट अंडर आर्टिकल 323 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, द यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन submits annual reports, and these reports are laid before both the houses of parliament along with any memorandum, if there be any, from the government explaining their position as to why they have not accepted the particular advice of the commission. Sir, we have so far received 3 such reports from the commission, and I have gone through these reports. Sir, the general impression that I have gathered after going through these 3 reports is that, apart from the fact that there have been cases of non-acceptance of the Commission's advice in many important matters, there are, sir, very serious irregularities committed by the executive government in the matter of appointments to the civil posts and the civil services. If you permit me, sir, I may add that I have found that there are occasions when the government has even bypassed the houses of parliament in their anxiety to provide for their favorite sir under Article 320 of the Constitution. As you have already pointed out, the recruitments to civil posts and the civil services are to be made by the Union Public Service Commission. There are two basic ideas underlined in this system of recruitment to the civil services adopted in our Constitution. Firstly, we desire that all eligible persons to a particular post should be entitled to enter into a fair and free competition to get that job. Secondly, we want to avoid all elements of patronage in the matter of appointments to our civil services. You will be find that under the old regulation, which has been kept in force under Article 372, there are several categories of employment. Thank you, and please like, share and subscribe our channel.